So T-Mobile released this really cool feature that basically allows you to try out Starlink completely for free on your iPhone. Now, I think some other devices are supported too, but if you have any iPhone that came out in the last 4 years, for the most part, you should be able to be supported with this. So to get started, what you're going to want to do, number one, is you want to go ahead and basically make your way over to their registration beta page. So what you're going to do here is, I'll leave the link down in the description. It's going to be the first link down there. All you want to do is you want to make your way over into this particular page. And then what you want to do is click on register for the beta now. So it says be one of the first to experience T-Mobile Starlink. So what you can do is you can go ahead, and if you already have a T-Mobile account, you can basically register here if you're a business customer. But if you're not, whoever you are, what you're going to want to do is you want to put in your first name. So type in your first name. You want to put in your last name. You want to add in your email. So whatever your email address is, go and add it in. And then you want to go ahead and type in your phone number. So once you type in your email and your phone number, you are basically almost done. When you do that, you want to go ahead and click on the sign up portion, which is right here. And what's going to happen is, T-Mobile is going to go through and they're going to just, I guess, on an ongoing basis, they're going to allow you to go ahead and basically get access to this Starlink. So what happens here is that from then and there on forth, whatever that statement is, what you can do is you can go ahead and start utilizing these satellite features within your iPhone to actually go through and, get access to certain things. So you still have all the access that your phone normally has. But then if you ever get into a dead zone, or if you're ever in an area that is like a remote location, their statement is, as long as you can see the sky, you are connected. So that's pretty much all you're going to have to do there. So then all you're going to have to do is just wait out until they add it in and all that. But from there, you're pretty much good from there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.